Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16. This is going to be the GX650 series. I'm going to show you how to open it up, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. Now you're going to have to remove all of these screws. Keep in mind this one in the middle, you're going to need a small flat pry tool to pop up this guard to get at that screw. And the screw in the bottom right near the green arrow, that screw doesn't actually come out, but it will lift your bottom plate up a little bit as you can see in this picture. And that's where you would start prying it up. You would then take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case a lot less than a metal one will. And again, starting in this corner, you're going to go across the seam and separate the panel from the rest of your computer. Don't put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go slow and careful, but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, stop. Start here again, go in the other direction until you get that bottom case off. Once your bottom panel has been removed, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, I have it sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you guys would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, there'll be a link below in the description. It'll show you a list of tools and supplies that I use in my shop. Beneath that link, there will be another link, and that will give you a list of all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer. Now, this battery had a part number of C41N2103. This is a 90 watt hour battery, 15.4 volts. I will have that information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement. But again, I will have a replacement option for this battery in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. To remove your battery, you have 5 screws. This one up here near the green arrow, this will have a warranty void sticker on it. This black sticker with a red triangle, that's a warranty void sticker. You're going to see those at various places in the computers you work on. What it means is that if you access that screw and you go past that sticker, you're going to void part or all of your warranty. So just keep that in mind when proceeding into your computers when you see these stickers. So I carefully took it off, carefully put it off to the side because I'm going to put it back when I'm done. But after taking those screws out, your battery plugs into the motherboard right here. And this is a snap connector, not a plug. So this white clip right there, you just pull that up and off of the motherboard, and that's how you release it from the battery. And I guess the last thing to shout out about this kind of operation, if you're here because your computer is not turning on, it could be a bad battery, but it could be something else. A laptop should still turn on and work even with a bad battery if the power adapter is plugged in and healthy. If your computer is not turning on, there could be a different cause other than just a bad battery. There will be a video tutorial link below in the description. It'll be a troubleshooting video showing you how to find out why a laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. But this is the video. This is how you access your internal battery in the Duo 16. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.